Seventh sum. Now we are going to move towards temperature and time. Temperature is caps T stands for temperature and smallest caps T stands for temperature and S stands for room temperature or surrounding temperature. We can call it as a room temperature or surrounding temperature. So let caps T be the temperature time T and S be a room temperature. So we will study the question now. What is the question? At water temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. Water temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. At initially, what is the temperature of a water is 100 degrees Celsius. So T equal to 0 and 100 degrees Celsius. After 10 minutes, the temperature of the water is reduced to 80 degrees Celsius. The temperature of water is reduced to 80 degrees Celsius. They given room temperature is nothing but 25 degrees Celsius. So they ask him to find temperature after 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, what is the temperature? And second subdivision, what is the time when the water will be 40 degrees Celsius? What is the time when the water will be 40 degrees Celsius? We need to prove this sum. So how we are going to derive this sum very easily, but somewhat toughest sum only, but we need to derive. So I have written first data because the data is very important for us. So by Newton's second law of cooling, what is the formula? Newton's second law of cooling? No, dt by dt is directly proportional to T minus S. This is the formula. Where T is the temperature, this T is nothing but time, S is nothing but surrounding temperature. This is a Newton's second law of cooling. Newton's second law of cooling is nothing but dt divided by dt. This dt is nothing but temperature. This T is nothing but time, directly proportional to T minus S. So dt by dt is equal to K into T minus S. Let T minus S come down, dt goes upward. So dt divided by T minus S is equal to K into dt. Since S is a constant, we know the formula. Integration of dx by x is nothing but log x plus c. The same dx divided by x plus a is also log x plus a plus c, because here a is constant. The same here s is constant. By integrating, we have get log t minus s is equal to k. Integration of dt is t plus log c. So log c come this side. Log t minus s minus log c is equal to kt. This is log a minus log b. We can write as log a by b. So t minus s divided by c is equal to kt. We need to remove the log, so e comes here. So t minus s by c is equal to e power kt. Let's see moves this side. So what is going to becomes t minus s equal to c e power kt. Minus s come this way, becomes t is equal to s plus c e power kt. So this is keep it as equation 1. For the temperature, that is temperature sum, we need to derive, we need to do Newton's second law of cooling only for temperature all. So T is equal to S plus C e power KT. So this also we don't need to keep this equation, because we know the S value. What is S value? Room temperature S, no, 25 degrees Celsius. 25 plus C e power KT. Keep it, this equation as 1. This equation is 1, because we know here known temperature of room is nothing but 25. So like 25, T is equal to 25 plus C e power KT. So this is the equation 1. So first we need to apply case 1. So case 1. What is case 1? When T is equal to 0 and caps T is equal to 100. This is a case 1. If you are going to see the case 1, you can easily find, apply. What is the T? Caps T is equal to 100. 100 is equal to 25. 100 is equal to 25 plus c e power k. What is the t here? 0. K into 0 is 0. E power 0 is 1. Let 25 moves this side. 100 minus 25. 100 minus 25 is nothing but 75. 75 is equal to c. E naught is nothing but 1. 1 into c is nothing but c. C is equal to 75. C is unknown. Now I found the c. So apply here. T is equal to 25 plus c. What is c? 75 e power kt. E power kt. Keep it as equation 2. So this is our main equation hereafter. So apply case 2. Case 2 should be applying equation 2 only. Case 2, when T is equal to 10, caps T is equal to 80 degrees Celsius. This one put degree Celsius. So apply, what's caps T? 80 is equal to 25 plus 75 e power k. What is T here? 10. I can put 10k. Next, let's come this side. 80 minus 25 is nothing but 55. 55 is equal to 75 e power 10k. Let 75 comes down. 55 divided by 75 is equal to e power 10k. In which table it goes? In 5 table. Therefore, e power 10k is nothing but 11 by 15. 11 by 15. This one is also important. The same we can do derive in another model also. I am going to remove e, so log going to comes. So I can write as 10k is equal to log 11 by 15. You can write this like also. If I want to remove log here, e comes, e power 10k is equal to 11 by 15. I need to remove e. I am going to bring 10k. I am going to write log here, log 11 by 15. So k is equal to 1 by 10 log 11 by 15. This both only very important for second, third case and fourth case. This will be useful for third case. This will be useful for fourth case. So case 3. What is case 3? They are given T is equal to 20. I need to find temperature. That's all. This is a case 3. We need to do very careful this one. Case 3 is T equal to 20. I need to find cap T. Apply in equation 2 only. T. I need to find T is equal to 25 plus 75 e power k into T. What is here? 20k. 20k is equal to 25 plus 75 e power 20. I can write as 10k into 2. 10k into this 2 moves upward. 25 plus 75 e power 10k the whole square. E power 10k the whole square. 25 plus 75. What is e power 10k? E power 10k is nothing but 11 by 15 the whole square. I will do the here. Next, 25 plus 75. 11 the whole square is 121. This 15 I write as 15 into 15 because I can cancel 75 and 15 in 15 tables. How many times? This is 5 times. This can be written as 5 times. So caps T is equal to 25 plus 121 into 5 is nothing but 605. 605 divided by 15. T is equal to 25. 605 divided by 15. Answer is nothing but 40.33. So T is equal to 25 plus 40 is nothing but 65. 65.33 Celsius. So this is the required answer for first subdivision. Next I want to move to a second subdivision. First subdivision I used e power 10k. For third case I use this one. For fourth case I want to use this one. This is nothing but second subdivision I need to find. So apply. I have written k values. This is a equation 2. So apply. Caps T is nothing but 40. 40 is equal to 25. 40 is equal to 25 plus 75 e power k into T. This one I need to find. K into T e power kt. If 25 come this side, 40 minus 25 is nothing but 15 is equal to 75 e power kt. 15, 75 we can cancel in which table? In 15 table I cancel. So it becomes 5. This 5 I can bring down. 1 by 5 is equal to e power kt. 1 by 5 is equal to e power kt. Now I am going to remove e. If I am going to remove e, this side I need to put log. Log 1 by 5 e can be removed. I can write as kt. Log 1 by 5. Therefore kt is equal to log 1 by 5. I can write as log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. Log 1 is 0. Log 1 value is nothing but 0. Therefore kt is equal to 0 minus 5 is nothing but minus log 5. T is equal to minus log 5 divided by k. Therefore t is equal to minus log 5 divided by, what is k value? K value is nothing but 1 by 10 into log 11 by 15. This 10 moves upward. So what becomes? This 10 moves upward. So minus 10 log 5 divided by log 11 by 15. So t equal to minus 10. They given log 5 value in question itself. Log 5 value in question itself nothing but 1.6094 divided by log 11 by 15 value is given nothing but minus 0.3101. Minus we can cancel. 10 into 1.16 is given 16 point. This 10 multiple this one becomes 16.094 divided by 0.3101. If we going to divide these two values, we get approximate values. We can put approximate values. The approximate value is nothing but 51.899. This is one of the approximate value which we can convert as 51.9 minutes. So the last we want to take and write the answer. What is the answer we need to write? Therefore temperature for first subdivision, for case 3, the first subdivision, temperature of water after 20 minutes is 65.33 degree Celsius. The same time when the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius is approximately, because answer is approximately 51.9 minutes. Thank you.